there is a huge amount of luck, empirically so, in successful careers. People do stumble on things. There are important moments that happen to change the trajectory of their lives, but also you make that happen. I'll give you an example that I think illustrates this really well. 2008 and 2012, where I had this philosophy of essentially saying yes to every opportunity, even opportunities where I was like, I'm busy, I'm tired, I don't want to do this. But for 4 years, I basically said yes to everything. I give this talk to the freshmen at NYU, and I take the 4 emails that during that period changed my life. One of them pushed me on a path to write books. One of them exposed me to a particular kind of consulting that I do now. They all had a colossal effect on my life, but there were thousands of emails that I said yes to that didn't do that. So if you focus on just those 4, you say, wow, you were so lucky to get those 4 emails. But they were swimming in a sea of thousands of emails that didn't produce that outcome. The way luck landed on my lap was that I just said yes to everything. Throwing a lot of darts at the dartboard is where luck comes from.